Hello students, my name is Amit Kumar. Last time we had read the empirical formula and how to calculate the empirical formula. And now we will do some examples which is based on the empirical formula. The question is, an inorganic salt keep following percentage. Sodium is equal to 29.11%. and oxygen is equal to 30.38% and sulfur is equal to 40.51%. Calculate the empirical formula of the salt. I have to first create a column to calculate the empirical formula. The first column represents element, the second column represents atomic mass, and the third column represents the percentage of the element, and fourth column represents the relative number. The fifth column represents the simple ratio, and the sixth column represents whole ratio. The first element is sodium, and the atomic mass of the sodium is 23, and the percentage of the sodium is given in the question is 29.11%. and the relative number of sodium is equal to percentage of the element divided by atomic mass. Here, the percentage of the element is 29.11 divided by atomic mass, that is 23, and we get the relative number of sodium, that is 1.265. The second element is oxygen. The atomic mass of the oxygen is 16, and the percentage of the oxygen is given in the question is 30.38%, and the relative number of oxygen is equal to percentage of oxygen divided by their atomic mass. Here, the percentage of the oxygen is 30.38 divided by their atomic mass, that is 16. And we get the relative number of oxygen, that is 1.89. The third element is sulfur, and the atomic mass of sulfur is equal to 32, and the percentage of sulfur is given in the question, that is 30.51%, and the relative number of sulfur is equal to percentage of sulfur divided by their atomic mass. Here, the percentage of sulfur is 40.51 divided by their atomic mass, that is 32, and we get the relative number of sulfur, that is 1.265. As we are seeing that the smallest relative number is 1.265. To calculate the simple ratio of sodium is equal to the relative number of sodium divided by a smaller relative number, that is, the relative number of sodium is 1.26 divided by a smaller relative number, that is 1.26, and we get the simple ratio of sodium, that is 1. To calculate the simple ratio of oxygen is equal to the relative number of oxygen divided by a smaller relative number. The relative number of oxygen is 1.89 divided by a smaller relative number, that is 1.26, and we get the simple ratio of oxygen, that is 1.5. To calculate the simple ratio of sulfur is equal to the relative number of sulfur divided by the smaller relative number. Here, the relative number of sulfur is 1.26 divided by a smaller relative number, that is 1.26, and we get the simple ratio of sulfur, that is 1. We have to change the fraction into whole, multiplying by 2, that is 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 1.5 into 2 is equal to 3. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Now, the simple ratio of sodium, oxygen and sulfur is equal to 2:3:2, and the empirical formula represents the simple ratio of the atom, that is NO2O3H2 is the empirical formula. Next topic is molecular formula. Molecular formula of a compound is that chemical formula which represents the real ratio of the atom in molecule. It expresses the actual number of atoms in one molecule of the compound. For example, to analyze the benzene, it is clear that the real ratio of carbon and hydrogen is 6:6 and the molecular formula is C6H6. Next is to find out the molecular formula of any compound. 2 points must be noted. First is molecular mass of the compound and second is empirical formula of the compound. Calculation of molecular formula, that is how to calculate the molecular formula. First, calculate the empirical formula from the percentage composition. Second, calculate the empirical formula mass by adding the atomic mass of all atoms present in empirical formula. Third is determine the value of N by using the relation N is equal to molecular mass divided by empirical formula mass, and the relationship between the molecular formula and the empirical formula. Molecular formula is equal to N into empirical formula. Question first, which is based on the molecular formula. The question is, a compound contains 4.07% hydrogen, 24.27% carbon and 71.65% chlorine. Its molar mass is 98.96 gram. Calculate the empirical and molecular formula. We have to first create a column to calculate the empirical and molecular formula. The first column represents element. The second column represents atomic mass. The third column represents percentage of elements. The fourth column represents relative number. The fifth column represents sample ratio. And the sixth column represents whole ratio. The first element is hydrogen and the atomic mass of the hydrogen is 1 and the percentage of hydrogen is given in the question, that is 4.07%, and the relative number of hydrogen is equal to the percentage of the hydrogen divided by atomic mass. Here the percentage of hydrogen is 4.07 divided by their atomic mass, that is 1, and we get the relative number of hydrogen, that is 4.07. The second element is carbon. The atomic mass of carbon is 12. The percentage of carbon is given in the question, that is 24.27%, and the relative number of carbon is equal to percentage of carbon divided by their atomic mass. Here the percentage of carbon is 24.27 divided by their atomic mass, that is 12, and we get the relative number of carbon, that is 2.02. The third element is chlorine. The atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5 and the percentage of chlorine is given in the question, that is 71.65, and the relative number of chlorine is equal to percentage of chlorine divided by their atomic mass. Here the percentage of chlorine is 71.65 divided by their atomic mass, that is 35.5, and we get the relative number of chlorine, that is 2.02. As we are seeing that the smaller relative number is 2.02. To calculate the simple ratio of hydrogen is equal to the relative number of hydrogen divided by a smaller relative number. The relative number of hydrogen is 4.07 divided by a smaller relative number, that is 2.02, and we get the simple ratio of hydrogen, that is 2.01 approx 2. To calculate the simple ratio of carbon is equal to the relative number of carbon divided by a smaller relative number. The relative number of carbon is 2.02 divided by a smaller relative number, that is 2.02, and we get the simple ratio of carbon, that is 1. To calculate the simple ratio of chlorine is equal to the relative number of chlorine divided by a smaller relative number. Here the relative number of chlorine is 2.02 divided by a smaller relative number, that is 2.02, and we get the simple ratio of chlorine, that is 1. So the simple ratio of hydrogen, carbon and chlorine is equal to 2:1:1, and the empirical formula, that is the simplest ratio of the atom, is CH2Cl. Calculate the empirical formula mass by adding the atomic mass of all atoms present in empirical formula. Here the atomic mass of carbon is 12 and atomic mass of one hydrogen atom is 1, but there are two hydrogen atoms, so 1 into 2, that is 2, and the atomic mass of chlorine atom is 35.5, and we get the empirical formula mass, that is 49.5. We know that N is equal to molecular mass divided by empirical formula mass. N is equal to the molecular mass which is given in the question, 98.96, divided by empirical formula mass, that is 49.5, and we get the value of N is 2. We know that the relationship between the molecular formula and the empirical formula is molecular formula is equal to N into empirical formula. The molecular formula is equal to the value of N is 2 into CH2Cl is the empirical formula, and finally we get molecular formula is equal to C2H4Cl2.